Yo ebusia king to the Kobe. Majima kunya. Moma yenhwe daily updates a Fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na ye sha se amunim se de tie no ye fufuro na wo hwa me patch na wa subscribe ya ma me se de me release video a onso abeka wo efidie bia we use no machine bi device bia we use no onso abeka latest updates from Fabulous Zone. Yenhwe kro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ye de etnase amunim se kotoko ya no na ye ka ye nka be fufuro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko IFFHS African Club of the Century and home sem na ye kan channel we so to your friend na wo hwa na subscribe ya man yes notification bell no wasa press ya kan ye hwe ne nsembe ene wo ho ye fan nsem ne nhihya no na wo hya se say Kotoko over the weekend you win our first game, first Premier League match bass of the season. Day one, you win a game, you winning 3-1 after Kotoko has gone down by a lone goal from Dreams FC. You reach in your back a better t-shirt 3-1. Now we and Kotoko board member, your friend Mr. Kwesi Osei Ofori. Yes. We know omuye galam omuye tum omuye mining hun your money adie yes or promise team ne says mutimi eje league title na obemo bibia $5,000 obibia the playing body the technical team obibia $5,000 we any promise Kotoko board member we me from some muska ba omuye they talk in silence. What I say, they talk in silence. Mr. Kofi Osei Ofori and our promise team no. So we will be $5,000 for winning the league title. Enyankobi is just one match, about 33 matches to go into Dorso, papa. But let's see how it will go. What I say, and then so boys no training, no more training now. Share Camp Murai or na bibi ekoso kama the Cameroonian boys no Mbella and I'm Fegi or Masha say ye training na young chaps no muni na mu bia keka no ho campa eshi wa we slow no pe baby kwatena what I say pe baby kwatena na serious guys aba and he said it no yen twas na yen hwe ada nsensem a had to folk over the weekend we heart nsem by yen family fame omo talisman a friend Muhammad Al Hassan Mu Al Hassan mamuti no bu se sade ne friend Mu Al Hassan so twa collapse ye eto pitch ne so collapse ye bantia ye tin say wa recover had to folk for the report say Mu Al Hassan wa recover as he no but o mama no some time to go and rest. What I say, o trashy or pitch so, but see, I must say, on man some time, so uncle coolly off, no rest, no refreshing, no sambra back and to the team, into the tail of Mu Al Hassan, the Fabulous Zone family, no your mouth, speedy recovery, Mu Al Hassan. Oh yeah, dear, and I ought to ask so a Kotoko against Dreams, Kotoko against Bechem United game no baso Baba Yara Sports Stadium baso den anya fedi agro kra na wo hwe gate fee na abana yo VIP 100 cedis VIP 100 cedis sounds na yo center line yo 40 cedis for center line yo wings some of the wings are bim wings 50 cedis and your popular stand and you 30 cedis. So from 100 to 50 to 40 to 30 cedis. And no any gate fee for Kotoko against Bechem United or Hosa game no ebeye fe papa because Bechem Medica kon nane edumediama 4-0. What I say na Nyankopon ohyira wan we hyira o ma watamfo omonim egu ase a omonim gu ase ma ne ye fe. What I say na we na Kwaku Osei of Light FM. Unim de no kan nsema okeka o say Glassing Awaku was started training with Kotoko. Yeah. O say Glassing Awaku was started official training with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No krabia nso ni asem we mu. Mo de manhwe video nsa de timra.
Na enei. Asemo. Glassing Awaku enu na started training de Asante Kotoko. Glassing Awaku enu na started training de Asante Kotoko.
One true ya uche we mi an asem no kakra ma phone wahwe so am ma. We say we want to always attach Kotoko's name, Kotoko's brand to the negative stories no koso ye why kweku say koso na ye na semba ko ehu hia pa about protocol legend I friend Robert Mensah. Yes, Sadiq Adams Obama of Angel Sports ono ena odi ne summary bia betudwa endra ene marking the 50th anniversary wabro wuye nkwa 50 years ni o wuye nkwa 50 years ni echiraw bra obeboto ho on say wa group edi Robert Robert number 1 what I say say it was in to honor Robert Mensah, Africa's number 1 goalie. Yeah, according to Soren, he was stabbed in the back. Omo say kan ewo wonichi ema otimi hwere no nkwa wa bra wa call nightclub bi ewo Tema kwaji neni kotoko our greatest goalkeeper of all time ono na efe no Robert Mensah. Even Black Stars the best of all time Robert Mensah na die kosi ni time owuye omo de se kan wo no owuye no according to Sadiq Adams Obama no omo ye coffee mienu GFA onso bo Black Stars sambo kotoko ti GFA eye coffin ema no sanso na kotoko nso ye coffin de man nti kwa ye coffin mienu ma kotoko de na gold kakra wo mti omo de gold no that means omo choose kotoko de no na omo de kosi no but e do 2 days pepepe na krofo bi kututu ai no amna no mo yi gold no e de koye nti ma omo de other coffin no ene kosie no that's Robert Mensah Kotoko and Black Stars legend Robert Mensah. Continue to rest in peace Robert continue to rest in peace. 50 years ni uko the club is still alive what you say nti yen twas na yen hwe nsema ekoso no ene due CEO I friend na Aponsa on it team on it obey live interview was sick. Yes, wow, person hwe CEO ni nsema oka we there from you can say from the horse's own mouth what you say or the sick or beba live was sick no ni fans na be interview man engage and interact and catch Nana Aponsa tomorrow at 7 p.m. I was sick dear no yen hwe baba yara na yen hwe matches aka so one match ya bo one match we age 3 points that was an away game to Dreams o hwe de aka na yebebo Bechem wo home baba yara yebebo bechem ene Saturday ya or Sunday de ebe ya bechem ye be ko bibie ni Gold Stars bibie the newly promoted team no Oma Bisha Kotoko in the 3rd week and on the 10 but yebeko away in the 4th week no Kotoko ebetine fie Asia 11 wonders 11 wonders on Kotoko betine fie host 11 wonders Samson and the 5th the 5th match no is against Karela United nzema for no Kotoko beko away akoshia Karela United. One good news is Mudasiru Salifu Mudasirus as is being affectionately called Mudasirus no oko join Mudasirus no say onya injury ho but Nyankopon adom recover from the injury wa she training ase with the team Mudasiru Salifu ono so ne die no and I transem no so Hatofuk omoko Morocco ekwaje 6-1 na obi ase team no na ho den na team Accra ha team ne nye na den no mo katas no mo de koye no omukwaje 6-1 from WAC of Morocco kwaje 6-1 na we no mo drop here ba confederation no omukwaje drop mo kochia JS Saoura from and we say from Algeria another North African club na JS Saoura over omokobo match endra no mu nane nkofo no 6-0 and nkofo ka say heart and mu hwe you ya show be 6-0 there na mu hwe yi mu de mu sora mu Continental Club Masters and so mu nje continent Ali na eso ka so Continental Club Master Elali So finally Kotoko Airco back to Baba Yara Sports Stadium after 1 year, 8 months, 23 days. No Kotoko, we are going back to Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Yakoji fans nini so what ya say nti de tie ewo ho no ye pese ni mu esi ase na ayemfa mu esi ase na de betu be de bebrem ewo channel we so mi din e de King Kobe what ya say nti yemfa mu esi for Porcupines. Bye, Porcupines.